Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today we're going to do a barbecue beer chuck eye steak on the grill. This is very easy to do. Let's get started. So here we have our chuck eye steak in a Ziploc baggie, and what we're going to do is go ahead and throw in some Worcestershire sauce, however you say that. Then we're going to go ahead and pour some beer in there. Then you just want to go ahead and close it up and put it in the refrigerator for at least about half an hour, maybe longer. So I actually ended up letting this marinate for probably about an hour. Now we're going to go ahead and get yourself a good barbecue rub. I'm using Pit Boss beef and brisket rub, and let's go ahead and get it on there and of course rub it in. Then we want to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. And in the meantime, you want to get your barbecue preheated. So here we have our grill going. I've got it going on high heat. Let's go ahead and get our steak on there. And we're going to come back and check on it in about 2 minutes. So here we are about 2 minutes later. We're going to go ahead and flip the steak over. We're now going to go ahead and hit it with our first layer of barbecue sauce, and go ahead and use whatever one you want. I actually have a video for my homemade barbecue sauce, but that's not what I'm using now. But go ahead and do that, and we'll come back in again in about 2 minutes. So here we are a few minutes later. We're going to go ahead and flip this one more time. Hit it with another layer of sauce again. We're going to cover it, and this should be ready in just a few more minutes. And here you have it. Our barbecue beer chuck eye is done. Time for the taste test. Very good. Give it a try. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.